Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Tas. Welcome back to funtasfit, and for today's video, based on the title, I'm going to be showing you how I installed these cute little Marley Twist. It's very simple, beginner friendly, and it was a trial and error method, but I've made it simple and easy for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and to comment. Yeah guys, it's free to do all of that. If you're shy to comment, like I know some persons are, just press like, and yeah, please, and subscribe. There's a lot of time, energy and money placed into making content for this, like you guys, so that's a small way to show your appreciation for us small YouTubers. So let's get into the video. Oh, and it's a great protective style. It's super lightweight, super comfortable. As you can see, it's waist length, and yeah, anytime any female can get their hair done and literally sleep like a baby the same night, you know it was a great hairdo, because this style is just so gentle on your scalp and it's super cute. Yeah, now to the video. So the braid I got was this one, and I think I got about 9 packs or 10. I just didn't want to run out, and I wasn't sure how long I'm going, the length. But as you can see, my hair, I have in elastics already. It's all, you know, sectioned off. I've parted it and all of that, and I've done that off camera, just to save more time also, because this did take a while. But I'm just gonna show you how it's done. So basically I just part my hair, not the perfect parts basically, and then I use my little edge brush, edge control, and I kind of just use that. I did it already, so I don't want to just use I'm looking into a mirror. Let me zoom up for you guys. So I used the edge brush with the edge control to basically just bring the flyaways in, because you know my hair is pretty frizzy most times. It's pretty light, so it's easily yeah. And then I take an elastic. Where's the elastic? And basically, you know, so I brought all that in, use the elastic, and ooh, wrap it around the hair. The key to this part though is not to make this too tight or too close to the scalp, because remember that you're going to have a crochet needle going in. I didn't even know there were different sizes of crochet needles. I got both because I wasn't sure which one. Is this a smaller needle tip? This is larger. I wasn't even sure which one to use, but I got both. Pretty cheap. So remember, you need to make space because it's going to be going through. If anything, we can tighten it later. So I bring it down a little to make it loose, because I don't want this style to be too tight, and yeah, I'm really tender-headed. So let's start braiding. So you're gonna get 2 strands of hair, right? These are from the pack, and then first thing I do is I basically, like, I hope you guys, you see how the ends are? I basically like unravel them, get them a bit more, like, you know, messy, and yeah. So I unravel them, and that's what you can do. That's what I do first, so they don't have that factory look basically. Towards the end, I want to twist the ends out myself and place them in hot water, even. So that's the first thing I do, is unravel the ends. When that is done, I also kind of, like, you know, get the hair to also be less perfect and run my hands through it. So yeah, I'm looking so tired and oily right now, I know, but basically I finished most of it off camera, and then my battery had died. Basically, again, you're just gonna tame your hair, whether you want to use your gel, your edge control, whatever sort of, or jam, whatever you use, because you want the hair to blend well with the Marley hair. I'm just gonna comb that out a bit. And remember, you'd have already prepped your braiding hair, like I said, the ends. Well, that's how I like it. So again, you take the, I hope you guys can see, I'm at a weird angle. The crochet needle, it's closed when you're going to push it through your hair. Then it's opened, right? See? Oh, don't watch my gray hair. Then I put the, oh my god, I need to use it now. I put the braiding hair through it and then close it again. I don't even know if I'm using the crochet needle properly, but like I said, it's my first time and we're just trying here. And then you just pull it through and you stop at a certain point, right? You see where you see a loop? So now you're able to take out the needle and pull. This is what I do. I pull through the rest of the braiding hair by hand, because by this time I don't need to pull everything through with the needle. You just need to stop at a certain point, right? And you see that it's in there. This is where now, like I said, don't do the rubber band method too tightly, because this is where now you tighten your hair down more onto the braiding hair, because you want it to look as realistic as possible, right? So you tighten and then you start twisting. So then I realized I needed to do more of like a rope twist method, because then when the hair is like, when it starts unraveling, it gives me the look I'm going for. The more, you know, jumbo size or yeah, looser lock look. So you see, I've stopped at a certain point, right? Working with short hair, I definitely need to tame the ends, especially because I recently clipped my hair ends, so they are easily just popping out of the braiding hair. So this is where now I'm gonna take another strand of hair, so still 2 strands, and then this is where I basically, if you guys can see, I basically place it in this here. You see how I'm doing that? Kind of. Twisting it in so it blends smoothly too. And then I'm just, you guys see, I'm just twisting so it looks, I want it to look seamless, so you can't tell where I add the second bit of hair. But I did that because of the size I want the braids to be, the twist to be. So yeah, so that's what I do. And if you realize again, your hair is coming out, I'm separating it, add a bit more of the jam or gel or whatever to, you know, blend it back in there. So I just twist. This is kind of like a rope twist, but not really, because I'm not doing it as tightly, but I'm also definitely not twisting as loosely. But it just depends on the style I'm going for. So you can just try different twisting methods to decide which style you want, because this was definitely a trial and error for me, and yeah, it took several attempts before I finally decided this is what I'm comfortable with, and this is the idea I had in my head of what I wanted my hair to look like. But yeah, see, I don't think you can even tell where I added the other bit of hair. Twist, 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 twist. Oops. Twist, 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 twist. This is definitely give my hair a break for a while. This looks so cute. Yeah, protective style. twist, 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 twist. And then with this style it's good because you don't need to do any trimming and cleaning up, and then it's so easy on my scalp. It's not tight. I can sleep good tonight. Oh my god. I mean, I am tender-headed, but because you have been pushing a crochet needle in and out but of your hair, but at the end of the day this is way more comfortable on my scalp compared to other styles. Yep. And it's so lightweight. Yeah. But yeah, and then when I'm done to the end I just like make a little loop, because I might add this in hot water. Let's see. I probably don't even have to, but like I said, it's all trial and error. So basically you're gonna do the same thing to this last one. I hope this tutorial was very informative. I tried my best, and guys, really and truly don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I have to remind you, at least do one of those things. If you found that this was useful, definitely leave a comment. Let me know if you've tried this style. Let me know what other tactics you use, because it's a learning experience here. What am I looking for over here? It's a learning experience, so you can learn from me and I can learn from you. So again, needle closed. See, I leave some room. You leave some room. I hope you guys can see, you know. God, this is so awkward. Leave some room between the elastic and your hair, and your scalp rather, so that it's, oops, comb fell, so that it's not too tight when you're trying to push the needle through, and then your scalp is more irritated, especially if you have a tender scalp like I do. Yeah. So then you tighten. See? No, that's where you tighten. Hope you guys can see it all. You tighten. And what I also do, I try to braid in the direction that I want my hair to fall, right? So if I know I don't want the hair down in my face, which is what nobody really wants, you want it at the back or you want it like this, whatever, that's how I try to braid. I mean, when you're at like the back or certain sections of your hair, it's hard to really position your hands when you're doing it yourself, but I try, especially when I was doing the rubber band method, I try to do the parts in a way that will definitely allow the braids to fall a certain way, because if you notice, like here, right, I definitely wanted it to leave some baby hairs out, not to pull on my edges too much, and then to have the swoop and then to pull back like this, right? I didn't want it coming in my face and I didn't want it down. I want it more back. So that's how that's another tip I think can help among the other tips. But yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. I hope you like the tutorial. And if it sounds like I'm trying to hurry, I am, because it's getting late. Well, it's not getting late, it's super late and I'm exhausted and I want to go to bed. I have stuff for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just trying to like get my hair into yeah, blend better, because like I said, it's short, plus I recently clipped my hair end, so it definitely sticks out easily than if I didn't get a fresh haircut. It wasn't a cut, it was a clip. So twist, and then right about here, I think that's where I want to do my other, see, that's my real hair. I think that's where I would want to include the other hair. And I'm just gonna finish this off camera, and yeah, hope you guys like the final results. Subscribe, bye. It's reaction, because since I've been doing this here, I've been in the bathroom all day. Oh my god, camera, this tripod. Yeah, I've been in the bathroom all day. Keep looking at myself. Babe, why you not sleep? Turn that down a bit. Look at me. Do you like my new hairstyle? Be honest.
Wow. Yes, man.
You're faking!
I'm not faking.
Be honest, man.
No, it's nice. I love it.
Do you really?
Yeah.
What do you love about it?
It's colorful.
Oh my god! I forgot it. Oh. Babe, I have in two colors. Black, yeah?
Yes.
And this burgundy looking color, brown or whatever. That's
I
it.
can see the brown.
So how is it colorful? That's not colorful. No, for real. Do you like it and what do you like about it?
It's nice. I like it. Brings out your eyes. Love it.
Stop the foolishness. You don't like it, do you?
Yes, I like it. I said.
I know your lion voice. Yes, I like it, I say. That's your lion voice.
No, I like it.
So why can't you say what you like about it?
It's long.
Oh my god, Ricardo, you're just searching for the worst adjectives. It's long.
Well, thank.
Bye.
Hmm?
That was it. I wanted to get your reaction on camera, so
It looks nice. Man.
thank you. I think so too. I love it. But I would just like to know what you like about it because I can go on and on about what I like about it. But you have yet to find one proper adjective to describe what you like about my new style. I don't understand. Hello?
It's nice.
It's nice. I like it. It's long. It's colorful. It's nice. I like it. Okay, bye. The backside. I like it. That's all that matters. I know you like it. You're just speechless because my hair is so nice and I'm so beautiful. You're like lost for words. I get it. I make you speechless, speechless. That's how I make you feel when I'm with you.